Welcome to the Texas Agriculture Law YouTube channel. I'm Tiffany Lashmet. Today I'm here to tell you about a new resource we just released. It's called the Texas Landowner Border Law Handbook. This was a project I worked on with my friend who's a lawyer in Austin, Jim Bradbury, Hagan Wright, who's a law student at Texas A&M University, and Amy Blake Teague, who was a research fellow with the National Agricultural Law Center. And we co-authored this handbook because we got so many questions from landowners along the border about what legal rights they have, who has jurisdiction, what laws apply to them, how landowner liability works, what they should do if they end up with, certain situations on their property. Given the volume of questions we had and just the lack of information for landowners in that scenario, we wanted to create this resource. You can get it for free. We'll put a link in the notes below. You can also go to our Texas Agriculture Law blog, the published materials tab, and you can download your PDF there as well. In addition to sort of just writing out, text-wise, all the information in the handbook, we've also got a section here that we call best practices for landowners. And so if you're a border landowner, here's just some tips, some things to think about, some information to be aware of. We've also got a section called frequently asked questions, where we just walk through some of the questions we repeatedly get from border landowners in this scenario. And then we close out the handbook with what we think is going to be a useful resource, and that is contact information for various law enforcement agencies along the border. And that's going to be everything from sheriff's office to the TSCRA special rangers to ICE, which is the U.S. Immigration Customs Enforcement Agency, various border patrol sectors. And so we really try to just gather up all of this information in one place. So if you're a border landowner and you're curious about the laws that apply or maybe the rights that you have, or if you know a border landowner who might benefit from this information, please feel free to pass this resource along. We really hope that it will be helpful. We try to write it practically speaking so landowners can find it useful and helpful when they're trying to navigate this difficult situation.